In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create talking avatars and UGC videos with HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank canvas to a polished share-ready clip. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen and press Enter. From the results, click the official HeyGen website to open it. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create option. Click Create, then choose Create a Video, and proceed with Create in AI Studio. This takes you into the editor where everything comes together. Let's pick an avatar first. In the canvas, click Replace Avatar. You'll see different styles and categories. For that authentic user-generated content vibe, open the UGC category and select the avatar that matches your brand or message. Think about your audience here. Choose a look that feels relatable and trustworthy. Next, add your script. A strong script is the heart of a viral video. Keep your sentences clear and short, and focus on one core message. Viewers decide quickly whether to keep watching, so lead with a hook that tells them what they'll get and why it matters. Avoid jargon and write the way you speak so it sounds natural when delivered by the avatar. Now, set up the voice. In the audio section, open voice and choose a casual voice that sounds conversational rather than robotic. This tone tends to increase watch time because it feels more human. When you've found the one you like, click Apply to this voice to lock it in for your script. Let's customize the scene for impact. Open background and choose bold, clean colors or smooth gradients that contrast with your avatar and text. This helps your message pop on small screens and keeps the frame uncluttered. Consistent colors across your videos can also make your content more recognizable in feeds. When everything looks and sounds right, it's time to render. Do a quick scan for typos and pacing, then get ready to produce your final file. Click Generate to start the process. You'll see a progress indicator while HeyGen builds the video. Finally, click Submit to confirm and let the render complete. Once it finishes, you can download and share it across your channels. That's it. Your Talking Avatar UGC video is ready. Follow these steps each time, refine your script and visuals as you learn what your audience loves, and you'll keep improving with every project.